I'm going to ask a somewhat stupid question. Do most or all patients speak Turkish in Turkish hospitals?
Uh, Tur- in Turkish hospitals, they speak in Turkish language.
Yes, the patients, the doctors. Let me rephrase this. Let me rephrase
Yes,
this.
yes, all of the people speak in Turkish.
If someone wants to study medicine in Turkey, they absolutely need to know how to speak and read Turkish. There's
Yes, definitely
no
yes.
there's
If
no
you
English spoken course.
if you they don't understand Turkish language, it's difficult for there. For example, when I was the first year of student, I know Turkish language little because I think Turkish and Uzbek similar, but some kind of words are different. Not all the words. First of all, was difficult for me because, for example, anatomy and physiology lessons, teachers come always speak in Turkish language. I cannot catch up all the words, and it was difficult for me to understand. And after then, I sat in my study room, and I learned from YouTube Turkish language in the 2 weeks. And I learned the Turkish language in 2 weeks. After then, I can speak and I can try, and after then I know the lesson. If you don't know Turkish language, it's really difficult. And in our class, we was 80 students, 80. Now we are 63. All of the years they take exam. If you are low pounds, you must to repeat this year and pay repeat like this. It's difficult in Turkey. For example, if you are finished the first year and you need to will be the second year of the student, the second class, you must to pass exam. If your pounds are 60, from 60 higher, you will be pass. And your pound is 89, and 89 in the low, 88 and 87 like this. You must study, repeat the first year, and you are also paid $30,000 repeat like this.
The reason I ask you about the Turkish language is because I am aware, for example, that I know of a few countries, in Russia, for example, in Ukraine, in Georgia. I know that there are universities that offer medical courses in English. I know, for example, that the University of Tbilisi in Georgia offers medical school in Georgian, in Russian, or in English. When you apply, you can choose which language you want to attend medical school in. So that's why I asked. But I believe you've cleared it up pretty much that to study in Turkey, you need to know Turkish.